Hello and welcome. My name is Nabila Harold. I am the Customer Success Team Lead at Enverus Trading and Risk. Today, I will show you how to install MarketView Desktop on your computer. To do so, go to your browser and type marketview.com. Next, go to Support Center and click on Downloads. Make sure you're under the MarketView Desktop. Scroll down here and just click once. You should see a pop-out window here. Just click on it and just go next, next, next. Your MarketView has been installed. Hit yes. And there you go. Your MarketView has been installed on your computer. Just enter your username, password, and you're ready to go. This was Nabila Harold. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.